So you're thinking about moving to a modern cloud ERP solution, and you're wondering what the differences are in how your on-premise licensing works today versus what it will look like in the cloud. Well, I'm here to help answer that question for you. In the future, with cloud ERP, you'll be based on a seat license, meaning that per user, you'll be able to have access to the system and pay per user. So a user will be assigned a license, and then they'll get associated features that they can leverage based on that license. On the on-premise model, you're used to where there's limits to concurrent usage. In the cloud, that's no longer a factor. So one user can have as many tabs open as they'd like and as many concurrent sessions as they like to no hindrance. With Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, licensing is based on two different full user licenses. You have Essentials and you have Premium. With Essentials, you get full customer relationship management, financials management, sales management, purchasing management, inventory management, and warehousing management, as well as project management too. So a lot included in the Essentials package at just $70 per user per month. With Premium, you get all that's included within Essentials, and then also manufacturing and service management. So two additional modules that have a lot of capabilities included in there that are great for field service organizations or production inventory organizations. So those are just some of the ways that the cloud ERP licensing model can work and how it will work specifically for Dynamics 365 Business Central. If you have any questions on how licensing works in the future, reach out to one of the members of our team. We're happy to work with you to create that plan for you.